Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix error code 0x80246007 when downloading updates in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go services. In this you search background intelligent transfer services. You can see here background intelligent transfer services. Right click on this, click on properties, startup type. If you select automatic, click here, then select manually, then click on apply, click on OK. Close this window, go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on as, then type here sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. Wait for verification 100% complete. After that, close this window, then open your Windows 11 settings, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshoot, then click on Windows update run. Wait for complete. After complete this, close this window, then restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.